Hey guys, today I'm gonna be trying the challenge of chugging sparkling water, which I don't have sparkling water, I only have root beer. So yeah, but it's still whatever, the fizzy thing. So I'm gonna try doing this, and let's just see how it goes. So yeah, here we go. Oh gosh. Okay. Yeah, I haven't burped at all yet. I don't think I'm going to. This is quite easy, but it's starting to get harder. Okay, it's actually quite easy now. Yeah, it's going away. It's quite easy. Oh gosh, it burns. It burns. It really burns. Oh gosh. Wow. Okay. Oh wow. I mean, I haven't blown up yet. Oh gosh, here it comes. Oh no. I'm so hot. Okay, actually, this is not that hard. Okay, well, I'm gonna say that I successfully did it because I haven't exploded yet. Later tonight, I'm just gonna be sleeping and I'm just gonna just blow up. I have the biggest burp in my life, but no. So look at it. I did it. I didn't blow up, and we're fine. So yeah, let's go. I'll see you in the next video. Sorry, I recorded it wrong.